video. Sorry for my appearance. It has to do with today's video actually. I'm really excited because today I'm going to be trying something new. I've never gotten just a blowout on my hair before. Obviously after they color your hair, I've had my hair dried and styled by someone, but I've never gone just to get it styled. So a new hairstylist in Atlanta named Chanel just started a salon down near where I work, so I'm going to go just get a blowout for fun and have someone else blow dry my hair today, because what's better than not having to do your own hair? Nothing. I feel kind of bad for her because I had to run this morning and I figured if someone's about to do my hair, I'm not gonna wash it, so it's kind of sweaty and it looks like this. So bless her for doing this for me, but I'm so excited, and I'm excited to take you guys along so that you can experience it with me. And you know, I'm kind of excited to see if this is worth doing, you know, for like before parties or, you know, weddings or something like that in the future. So I'm excited to do it today just for fun and see if maybe it's something I'll want to do again in the future. And I'm excited to take you guys along. So if you're ready to go get your hair done with me, let's go. Hey guys, I just finished up with my blowout at Chanel's salon, and I am so happy. I am constantly amazed how much better your hair can look when someone else does it. And so, like I said, this was my first time getting a professional blowout just to have it washed and styled, and I love it. It looks so fresh and clean, and she didn't even curl it or anything. This is just what she did with a blow dryer, which to me is amazing. And she said it should last for like 3 or 4 days if I don't get sweaty. So I should be good to go for work for the next couple days. And she was so sweet and welcoming and kind. And I'm so glad that I found her because she works like 5 minutes from where I work. So it's gonna be super convenient to schedule appointments and just pop on over after work and get my hair done. But my final thoughts on a blowout are that it's totally worth it. It was so relaxing and nice to have someone else style your hair. I don't know about you, but I completely dread blow drying my own hair, and it never comes out right. It's always like a frizzy triangle, and then I have to go and style it. And she didn't have to do anything except blow dry it. And she told me about some new products that she's been using that are affordable. She said you can find them at Sephora, so I'm excited to check those out. And I'm gonna go back and see her next month so that she can continue to help me bring back my natural brown color, which is something I've been working on. I've been blonde for years and years and years and years and years, and I've decided to embrace the brunette a little bit more now. And so I talked to her all about different options for pulling out my natural color some more, so she's gonna help me with that before the holidays. And it was just such a treat to meet her, and I'm just so thankful she reached out and offered me a time to come into the salon and get this blowout, and I love it. I'm so excited. Thank you guys for tuning in for another video. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. It would help me out greatly. I appreciate you guys for taking time to watch this video, and I hope you have a wonderful afternoon. Bye.